Welcome back. In this lesson, we're going to identify slope and y-intercept of the line. Y equals negative 3 over 2x minus 10 is already in the form y equals mx plus b. We line it up so we can say m, which is the slope, is negative 3 over 2. We can also say b is negative 10. Make sure you do not write b is positive 10 because negative 3 over 2x minus 10 is, let's write it down, negative 3 over 2x plus a negative 10. Therefore, b is negative 10 instead of positive 10. So this is your y-intercept. All right, let's look at our next practice. Next practice says 7x plus 2y equals negative 28. This is in the form of ax plus by equals c. This is a standard form. In order to see slope y-intercept form, we're going to change it into slope y-intercept form. A little bit of work will be done here. I'm going to use the space right here, copy it down, and subtract 7x each side, and we have 2y minus 7x minus 28. And then we're going to divide by 2. We're going to put down here. So we have y is negative 7 over 2x minus 14. Now we line it up, and we can put them in the long bubble. And this is our slope. And add a negative number. Negative 14 is our y-intercept. We are done here. Happy learning.